was working in the lab late one night when my eyes beheld an eerie sight. For my monster from his slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise,
he did the mash. He did the monster mash. The monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. He did the mash. It caught on in the flesh. He did the mash. He did the monster mash.
From the laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast, the ghouls all came from the humble abodes to get a jolt from my electrodes.
They did the mash. They did the monster mash. The monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. They did the mash. It caught on in the flesh. They did the mash. They did the monster mash.
The zombies were having fun. The party had just begun. The guests included Wolfman, Dracula and his son. The scene was rocking, all were digging the sounds. Igor on chains backed by his baying hounds. The coffin bangers were about to arrive with the vocal group, the Crypt Kicker 5.
They played the mash. They played the monster mash. The monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. They played the mash. It caught on in a flash. They played the mash. They played the monster mash. Mash good.
From his coffin, Drag's voice did ring. Seems he was troubled by just one thing. He opened the lid and shook his fist and said, "Whatever happened to my Transylvania twist?"
It's now the mash. It's now the monster mash. The monster mash. When it's a graveyard smash. It's now the mash. It caught on in the flash. It's now the mash. It's now the monster mash.
Now everything's cool, Drag's part of the band, and my monster mash is the hit of the land. For you, the living, this mash was meant to. When you get to my door, tell them Boris sent you.
Then you can mash. Then you can monster mash. Monster mash. And do my graveyard smash. You catch on in the flash. Then you can mash. Then you can monster mash. Now, mash good. Easy Igor. You impetuous young boy. You wanna mash? Yes. Mash good. alone.